Welcome back to the channel everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're all doing great and ready for another amazing DIY project that you can make easily at home with simple materials. Before we begin, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love creative and useful homemade ideas. Your support means a lot and helps me bring more awesome content for you. Today, we're going to make a simple, powerful, and lightweight fan using plastic bottles. Yes, that's right, ordinary plastic bottles that usually end up as waste can be turned into a useful and cool gadget. This project is fun, easy, budget-friendly, and great for beginners. Whether you want a small table fan, a portable fan, or just a summer craft idea, this is perfect for you. So sit back, relax, and let's start creating something amazing from scratch. We'll start by gathering all the things we need. The best part is that most of these items are easily available at home or can be purchased at very low cost from a local shop. For this project, you will need 2 empty plastic bottles, preferably strong and clear ones like water or soft drink bottles. You'll also need a small DC motor, which is very commonly used in school projects and can be found in any electronics store. Along with that, we need a small switch, a battery holder, and some rechargeable or AA batteries to power our fan. Next, we need a few crafting tools like scissors, a marker, a small piece of cardboard, hot glue or strong adhesive, a small stick or skewer, and some wires for connecting the circuit. Once everything is ready, it's time to begin the actual process. First, take one of the plastic bottles and remove its label. Then, carefully cut the upper part of the bottle using scissors or a cutter. We want to create fan blades from this plastic, so flatten the curved surface gently by heating it with warm water or pressing it under a heavy book. Now, mark equal-sized shapes for the fan blades using a marker. You can create 3, 4, or even 5 blades depending on how powerful you want the fan to be. A 4-blade design usually gives smooth performance and good airflow. Cut out the blade shapes neatly. Once the blades are ready, we need to attach them to the DC motor shaft. But before that, make a circular hub using a small piece of cardboard or plastic. Create a small hole in the center so the motor shaft fits tightly. Attach each blade around the hub with equal spacing. Balance is important for smooth rotation, so make sure the blades are symmetrical. Apply a bit of hot glue to secure them firmly. Now slide the hub onto the motor shaft and check if it rotates freely. The next step is to make the body or stand of the fan. For this, we'll use the second plastic bottle. Cut off the top part and keep the bottom half. This will act as the base. If you want your fan to stand tall, you can keep the entire bottle and attach the motor to the cap. But for a stable table fan, the bottom half works perfectly. Make a small hole in the bottle cap or in the middle of the bottle bottom where the motor will be mounted. Insert the motor inside and glue it tightly so it stays in place without shaking. Now it's time for the wiring. Connect the motor's terminals to a small switch so you can turn the fan on and off easily. Then connect the switch to the battery holder. Make sure the connections are secure using electrical tape or solder if available. Insert the batteries, and before assembling everything completely, give it a quick test. If the blades spin smoothly and the airflow feels good, then your fan is working perfectly. Once tested, place all the components neatly inside the bottle or attach them to the stand. You can also decorate the bottle using paint, stickers, colored tape, or anything you like to give your fan a nice and personalized look. This adds uniqueness and makes your project even more special. Now, let's talk about how this fan works. It's actually based on a very simple concept. The DC motor converts electrical energy from the batteries into mechanical rotation. The blades, designed at a specific angle, cut through the air and create airflow. Because the plastic bottle blades are lightweight, they rotate smoothly and create good wind. Small DIY fans like this are often used in school projects to demonstrate principles of energy, recycling, and aerodynamics. You can also upgrade your fan to make it more powerful. For example, you can use a 9 volts battery, a USB power source, or even a small solar panel so it runs without electricity. You can add a speed controller, use bigger blades, or install a stronger motor for better performance. If you want, you can attach the fan to a wooden stand or hang it inside your tent if you go camping. The possibilities are endless. Another great thing about this project is that it teaches the importance of recycling. Instead of throwing away plastic bottles, you're giving them a second life as a useful gadget. This helps the environment and encourages creativity. Projects like these are perfect for kids, engineering students, or hobbyists who want to learn the basics of electronics and crafting. Now imagine you're sitting in your room on a hot day. You take out this small DIY fan that you made with your own hands, flip the switch, and enjoy the cool breeze. It feels refreshing not just because of the air but because of the satisfaction of creating something useful from waste material. That pride is what makes DIY projects so rewarding. You can also turn this fan into a small desk accessory. Place it next to your laptop while studying, put it on your workbench to keep cool, or use it during power cuts to stay comfortable. Even though it's a small device, it performs surprisingly well if made carefully. As we reach the end of this video script, I hope you enjoyed each part of the explanation. These small inventions are not just fun to make but also improve your creativity, problem-solving skills, and confidence. If you liked this project and want more amazing DIY ideas like this, then please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Your support helps me bring more creative tutorials and exciting projects for you every week. Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next project with another exciting idea. Stay safe, stay creative, and take care everyone.